Idemo se sad, vozamo se sa nekim ovim golf cardom. Idemo na shopping. My best friend Joel.
Oh, hi.
From Cuba. Hi, Joel. How are you,
Hi.
Joel?
I want to say hello to all Canadian friends.
And Bosnian too.
Of course, when I talk about Canadian, I'm talking to the Bosnian
Bosnian too, yeah.
I love them. Third time at the resort, and we become like brothers. From different mothers and different fathers.
Different mothers,
okay.
yeah. Of course, yeah.
We love each other, don't worry guys, I take care of them. They are going to go back Canada safety.
Oh, some chain.
Yeah, he's a train driver. He's a little bit gay, but he's a good guy.
Hi, yeah. I know, I love you.
Linda, beautiful ladies
Nice
on the
girls.
road too. Oh yeah.
Don't tell me about that.
We talk later. It's not the time to talk.
No, it's not time because its weather is not good.
Oh yeah, the weather is too hot. We better
only
talk about food.
In winter, yeah, about food, yeah.
Yeah, the food is delicious, eh? We changed the topic. Because one girl at
My friend Jesenka is here.
they are just friends, eh?
Yeah, just friends. Čujem.
From Bosnia.
Slikaj ženu, kajem se mene ovaj ković.
I think she has the knife to kill you.
Šta hoš da kažeš?
Vidiš, vozimo se. Beautiful resort in Cuba.
Oh yeah, beautiful ladies on the road too.
Beautiful ladies, beautiful resort food.
Everything is delicious.
Yeah.
Just lady for me. Two for me,
Yeah.
no one for you.
Yeah.
No, four for me is better.
Lijepo je voda, jebe mu majku, gledaj ljepota.
O, ljepota. Pogledaj, nema šta nema.
Nema, lijepo.
Beautiful.
After visiting the market, we are going to have a Bosnia food together, our family, eh?
Yeah, Bosnia food when we go to Bosnia.
Yeah, we are going to be there next month together.
Yes. Evo nas.
Would you like to go to the end? Or,
Just here, don't worry. Yeah. Are we going, idemo nazad, skroz, gdje ćemo? No. It's okay, yeah, okay. See you later.
You're welcome. See you later, brother.
When we come back, we call from here, what?
No, we come back.
Okay. Yeah.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah.